Hey, what up? So I'm gonna do some freehand airbrushing. Yeah. And this concept is just I don't know. It's she might it's gonna be a girl. She's a little pissed, maybe. Um and I was gonna make it to where she is like part mountains here. Her head is down. And then as it transitions, so instead of horns, there are actually gonna be trees. Um, they're hard to see. Yeah, they're hard to see, but yeah, they're going to transition into this that goes back into space, off into the distance. Hey, what up, whoever's watching? But yeah, these are going to be back into perspective, so it's going to be cool. Some airbrushing. I don't know. Now I have the task of trying to mount my camera. See what happens. Get some airbrushing going. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Trying to mount my camera real quick, and then I'm gonna see. I need to lower this whole thing. Oh, I lost everything. I'll be back. This is stupid. I gotta mount my camera.